Hi there, welcome to our channel. We are from Zenitiq and this is a series that we just started to teach everyone about web development. So as you can see, these are all the contents of this series and we will divide each chapter per videos. For starters, what is web development? It is a process to develop a website for the internet or intranet. So as you all know, the internet is a globally connected network or computers, while the intranet is a local or restricted network where only certain people can use it. There is also types of websites that you can make, such as simple and static page, and then complex and dynamic websites. Also, websites are divided by two, the front end and also the back end. The front end of the website uses web development software and it is built with markup and web languages such as HTML and CSS. It is development of user's interface and it involves in web design and editing. Meanwhile, for the back end part, it uses programming and scripting such as PHP, Python, Perl, and others languages. It involves database administration, data transformation, and integration. It also has server management to run the website. So before doing something, we need a plan first. Same as web development, you will need a workflow first. So this is the 4D of the web development workflow. First is the draft. For the drafting, you will need requirement collection, discussion, analysis, and then the final draft. And then we go to the design. It needs a requirement confirmation, the software and hardware specification, and the layout of your website. And then you will need to develop your website, which you will need to do the visual design, the programming, and the future functionalities. And lastly is the deploy stage, which you will need to do the usability testing, user response, refinement, verification, and then launch your website. So that's some introduction about our web development series. We will continue this series in the next video. So we'll see you next time. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified on our next video.